How to cancel an AliExpress order. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application AliExpress. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to your account at the bottom right corner of the screen, and in the section of My Orders, head over to View All. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you will be able to see all the list of the orders that you have made on AliExpress. Well, you can only cancel the order if your order has not been shipped yet. But if it has been shipped, you will not be able to cancel it. So if the order has not been shipped yet, head over to it. You will be able to see the option in order to cancel it. Tap on cancel and then tap on confirm. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.